Our extensive expertise led us to create customized software for Africa's emerging and rapidly growing real estate markets. We provide user-friendly tools independent for real estate agencies and developers that create visibility into your business and understanding of how your income is generated. This increased professionalism of each agency and developer leads to improved professionalism of the market, resulting in a more attractive market to buyers, an improved reputation of real estate professionals, and more business opportunities for all. Spread over the African continent and expanding rapidly, our aim is to provide powerful and affordable integrated software solutions to all Africa's real estate professionals. We offer 3 vital solutions required for real estate professionals to improve their business knowledge and online presence. A CRM to help you manage and understand your business better. Marketing solutions with professional website templates and digital marketing campaigns and professional email server management. CRMs have a proven track record of improving the bottom line in a business, achieved by providing in-depth knowledge of how your business works and by reducing administrative work, freeing up your team for more productive tasks. Our CRM is tailored to your country, removing the time and financial implication of customization to your business requirements. Powerful reporting is key for business knowledge and professionalism, and our CRM generates real-time, up-to-date reports on all aspects of the business, making it a manager's dream. We offer digital marketing campaigns customized for your market and tailored to your requirements. Our team offers brand awareness and lead generation campaigns that push your brand to your customers and generate leads for your sales team. We use trusted partners like Google, Facebook, and Instagram as they provide maximum impact and feedback on your campaigns. With increasing connectivity, the internet is the first step in any client search, and it is crucial for a business to have a professional online presence. Property Nexus gives agencies and developers a fast, cost-effective way of ensuring your online presence reflects your professionalism and experience. Our templates are fully integrated with our CRM, giving you control of all aspects of the site and the ability to make real-time changes. We offer secure email server access through your domain, making your business look polished and professional, giving your clients the confidence to listen to your sound advice. We offer a 24-hour customer support channel, putting you in direct, personal contact with our team, allowing you to get the maximum out of our services. We are constantly innovating and improving our system, allowing you to stay ahead of the trends. We offer bolt-on services that allow you to focus on your business instead of spending time managing multiple service providers. Property Nexus, leading Africa's real estate markets forward.